Journal knowledge quiz about food. If you score 7 out of 10, you are brain boss. Question No. 1. What is the main ingredient in guacamole? A. Tomato. B. Avocado. C. Spinach. D. Cucumber. Question number 2. Which country is famous for its sushi? A. China. B. Thailand. C. Japan. D. South Korea. Question number 3. What is the spice that gives curry its yellow color? A. Cumin. B. Turmeric. C. Saffron. D. Coriander. Question number 4. What is the most consumed beverage in the world after water? A. Coffee. B. Tea. C. Milk. D. Soda. Question number 5. Which fruit is known as the king of fruits? A. Mango. B. Durian. C. Pineapple. D. Banana. Question number 6. Which cheese is traditionally used on a margherita pizza? A. Cheddar. B. Parmesan. C. Mozzarella. D. Feta. Question number 7. What type of pastry is used to make croissants? A. Short crust pastry. B. Puff pastry. C. Phyllo pastry. D. Choux pastry. Get ready for last 3 questions. Don't forget to comment your score. Question number 8. What is the national dish of Italy? A. Risotto. B. Pizza. C. Spaghetti. D. Lasagna. Question number 9. Which nut is used to make marzipan? A. Almond. B. Cashew. C. Walnut. D. Pistachio. (10) What is the primary ingredient in hummus? A. Lentils. B. Chickpeas. C. Black beans. D. Green peas. If you score 7 out of 10, you are brain boss.
Don't forget to like, share and